Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image for a long time ago. Well, this is I colorized yesterday and I'm gonna make this color image to make something interesting, impressive image today. Well, I have these colors, layers. This is original image. Let's see, I'm gonna march down all the layers. Now this is black and white image. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then select this base original black and white and beach color, sunset color, background, foreground, models color, eyes, touch, drawing, and a key light. Yeah. Okay. Make group. Then flatten this image. Now we got pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Nice pencil drawing type image. Then we got this color image, colorized. So I'm gonna rename. Okay. This is base color, then this one is original black and white image. Okay, now let's get started from here. Alright, let's check it out. This pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see, overlay, fill light. Nice illustration type image, pastel colors, then go for luminosity. This is nice pastel, even though it's kind of thin, but well, let me see, how can I make overlay? Kind of feeling it's not sunset, it's kind of sunrise image, isn't it? That's interesting, huh? Overlay goes light image. But change to color burn goes real sunset. Well, let's see about luminosity. Well, actually I made kind of light illustration type of image last time, so this time it's sunset color. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Color burn on base color image, right? Then let me see, I'm gonna move this original black and white image, go up, then blend mode, change to, look at this, linear burn, color burn. Well, that's interesting, huh? Original black and white, tone down to 30%, make it thick color so much. That's interesting too. Well, okay, white, I want to try color burn. I want to try this way. Okay, let's see, pencil drawing type color burn, then also original black and white image, same color burn on this base color image, right? Now, about this pencil drawing type image, I want the model's faces. I'm gonna make mask, then choose brush to airbrushing medium blend to mask their faces. I don't want much dark pencil drawing type image effect. So we see the catch light and stuff, right? Without mask, with mask. Yeah. Only for catch light. Yeah, yes, that's fine. Okay, then this is for model's face. Just mask it, but the effect overall is color burn. Okay. Then original black and white overall image. Face contrast, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Now. Okay, I'm gonna add layer on top. Then let me see. Make fill layer with white layer. Then make mask. Now reveal this mask with artistic. Let me see, hearts. Well, I think that's it. Pretty quick. Yeah, just mask it with white layer with mask. That's all. Yep. This is it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and well, there is a feeling. Maybe just, well, let me see, just a touch. Like not maybe, like, well, let's see, all the layers. Just make group. Now duplicate this group. Then flatten this image. Now I'm gonna make mask. This is one layer of this group, right? Then curves. Only see their model's face. Just like, oops, gamma. Lighten up. A little bit contrast. Touch red, yellowish. And touch reddish. Warm up their faces. Then this is overall. I'm gonna make mask. Too much red. Okay. Now make mask. Invert mask. Then reveal this with recent medium blend. Just mask it to show their model's face. A little bit reddish, so I'm gonna make, let's see, lighten up, but a little bit reddish, so I'm gonna change color balance. Highlight side yellow and the shadow side a little bit greenish, mid-tones, touch green. Then highlight side, touch reddish, maybe this much. Before, after. Yeah. Well, that's it. Okay. Thank you, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Pretty quick.